아니에요.
Blessed be God. What is your name?
Monica.
Ah, like the mother of Augustine.
My baptism name? This man is Juan. He wanted his name to be like a priest, Juan, who died at Unzen.
There'll be many more joining him. You understand? Why are you looking at me like that? Why are you so calm? We are all about to die. Like that. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Thank you. Thank you for the food.
Arigato, Padre. Oh, Father. Padre Juan. Said if we die, we will go to Paraiso.
Paradise. Yes, that's right.
Isn't it good to die? Paraiso is so much better than here. No one hungry, never sick, no taxes, no hard work.
Yes, of course. Padre Juan was right. There is no hard work in Paraiso. There is no work at all. There is no taxes. There is no suffering. We all will be united with God. There will be no pain.
Oui.
皆の衆よ、そう山ほどの面倒をかけんでくれや。頼むぞ。この暑さの中、年寄りにはここまで来るのもつらい。おまけにこの土ぼこりも。今年はひときわひどい。こんなことは本来なら不要なのじゃ。こちらの考えにほんの少しだけ歩み寄ってくれればよかろう。決してお前たちが憎いわけではないぞ。お前たちが捕まったのは身から出た錆よ。であればその錆を自らの手で拭えばよかろう。途方に暮れることはない。一時思案のいとまを与えるゆえ断りのある返答をいたせ。行け。
おい。あ。待て。待て。せんか。
Not you. You stay. You understood what I was saying to them? Your Japanese is good enough?
I saw your eyes.
Oh. And what did you think you saw there? They are fools, those peasants.
Lord, spare them suffering and keep them safe in your hand.
They can talk among themselves without end and decide nothing. But you understand, don't you?
Just say what you mean.
That it all depends on you whether they are set free. If you say just one single word, show them, deny your faith,
So what if I refuse? You kill me? The blood of martyrs is the seed of the church. Just like the priests you slaughtered in Omura and Nagasaki.
We learned from our mistake. Killing the priests and killing the peasants makes it worse. If they can die for their god, they think it only makes them stronger.
If you feel you must punish someone, punish me alone.
Oh my one. You do not speak like a good priest. If you are a real man, a truly good priest, you should feel pity for the Christian. Isn't that so, Padre? Isn't that so? The price for your glory is their suffering.
江戸初期キリシタン弾圧下の長崎
We ask for this mission.
なぜ
Help me, Padre.
弱き我らが苦しむのか
I pray, but I'm lost. Am I just praying to silence?
沈黙サイレンス